friends, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's see how we can add fields using Studio module in Odoo 40. So we can use Odoo Studio to add many different field types. So the process is basically same for all of them. So let's open a module. We have our application sales. So here we can manage our products. So you can add fields to different views. That is, after creating a model, we have different views in Odoo, like list view, form view, Kanban view. So just open that view and add your fields using Studio. So here you can see different products. So I'm opening my product acoustic block screen. So you can see the form view of this product. Now here above you can see option to customize your form view. So I'm going to customize the product form. And here you can see we have different fields already added to this form view. You can see different tabs. And if you want to add a new tab, you can just click on this plus. So you can see option to set the page name, page label, and you can restrict, that is limit the visibility to certain groups. So you can choose a group from here. Okay, so after adding tab, you can add fields to under that tab. So here under general information, we already have some fields. So if you want to add a new field, you can choose from these fields. Like we have different type like text, multi-line text, integer, checkbox. Then we have relational fields like one to many to many, then many to one. So we will discuss about adding relation fields in a separate video because it is a little bit complex. Then below, if you already have some existing fields in your model, you can choose from these options. You can see existing fields. Okay, and above you can also use these components. That is, we can add tabs or columns from here. So just drag and drop to your page. Okay, so let me add a text field to my product general information. So you can drag the field whatever you want on the tab. Okay, so when you drag that, you can see the properties of this field. That is, we can set a label for your field. So I'm setting a label that is composition. Okay, and we can provide a help tooltip. So this just give a description, that is to identify the purpose of this field, understand the purpose of this field. Okay, to set composition of the product. And we can set a placeholder text, then a technical name. So if you don't change the name now, you will not be able to do it later. But we can change the label whenever you want. Okay, then we can add a widget for the text, the field. You can see the available widgets in Odoo. Then we can set a default value, so which will be set for this field. Then we can limit the visibility of this field to certain groups. So you can select one. So I'm limiting it to administration, user with administration and access, right? Okay. And after adding field, if you wish to remove a field, you can just click on this remove from view. Then in this properties, you can see some options like to make a field invisible, required, that is mandatory, or read only. So if you want to do that, you can just enable it. That is, check the box. Okay. So after enabling that, you can add some condition. Like I want to make this field invisible. Like, okay, so we already have domain set like product variance greater than 1, made invisible. So if you want to add a new filter, you can just click on add node. Okay, I'm setting product type. If the product's type is service, then visible. Okay, so you can save it. Then you can also make it required. So you can add condition. Again, you can add condition. Then we can make it read only, so it will not be editable by user. Okay, so when the product type is service, then this field composition will be made invisible. So let's close this. Okay, so inside this form, you can see the field compositions cannot be seen because it is made invisible as the product type is service. Okay, and so in the same way, you can add different other fields to your form view. Okay, and then if you want to add a new smart button to your form view, you can just click on this plus. So you can add a new smart button. So in the same way, we can add fields to list view. So just click on this list view from here, or you can just click on this views. You can view the different views. So from here, you can find our list view. So in the same way, you can add a text field. So here we already added a text field that is composition. So you can see that from here. So you can just drag and drop to your list view. Okay, you can see this added. And okay, then it's also possible to see some view options like we can make it can edit, can create, can edit, can delete. And we can also edit this list view on top and at the bottom. And we can also sort this list view. So you can see sort options like we can sort this list view by using fields. If you want to sort this using name, you can choose that. So you can see automatically it is sorted by name. And we can choose order also. That is, if you want to choose sort this list view by ascending or descending order, you can choose it from here. And you can also view the properties of each field. We can change the widget, then we can change the calculation, that is using aggregate function. And you can also find the Kanban view. Okay, so you can see option to add priority, add an avatar to your Kanban view. So you can select a field from here to add priority, and you can also add avatar. So you can create it by user ID, last updated and responsible. Okay, so same you can view the view options of our form view, and you can also see option to show the invisible elements. So if we have made any elements invisible, you can view that by enabling this show invisible elements. So that's all. It's so simple. That is, we can use Studio Module to add fields to your different views, and same way we can add fields to reports. So we have discussed, that is, we have taken a different video on customizing reports in Odoo 40. So please go through that video. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching. And if you have any doubts related to this video, please add your comments below.